Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Ally Invest account, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall your Ally Invest account, start by visiting the Ally Invest website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the option related to account closure or deletion. Read through the information provided about closing your account. Ensure that you have cancelled any pending transactions or open positions. Withdraw any remaining funds from your account. Confirm that all your investments are settled. If you have a linked bank account, update any necessary information to avoid disruptions. Once you are ready, follow the prompts to formally request account closure. You may need to confirm your identity for security purposes. After submitting your request, check for any confirmation emails from Ally Invest. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the status of your account closure. It may take some time for your request to be processed completely. Consider taking screenshots of important information before finalizing the closure. Once your account is successfully closed, you will receive a final confirmation. Store this confirmation in a safe place for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.